Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of -0.10 and a momentum of -0.62 in the data science sector. This negative sentiment is significant. It's below our historical baseline and suggests a notable shift in community perception. The fact that we're also seeing 19 semantic clusters indicates that there are multiple nuanced discussions happening, but with a heavy overall pessimism. With our API, you can easily get a comprehensive sentiment analysis, including sentiment scores and momentum metrics, to understand shifts like this in real time. Imagine you're developing a sentiment dashboard for a data science community. You can leverage this insight to trigger alerts or content recommendations based on sentiment shifts. Want to dive deeper? Check out pulsebit.lol or enterprise docs.